Left function returns the first characters in a text string, based on the number you specify. Let's see how it works. Select a cell. Type left, click the left command. Specify the text string that contains the characters you want to extract. Add comma. Define the number of characters you want to retrieve. Hit enter. Function has returned the first 3 characters from the selected cell. Let's see another example. Select a cell. Type left, specify the text string. If number is omitted, it is assumed to be 1. Hit enter. Function has returned the first letter from the selected cell. Let's see another example. Select a cell. Type left, specify the text string. Add comma. If specified number is greater than the length of text, function returns all of text. Hit enter. Function has returned all characters from the selected cell.